So yeah, I am back with another set. I'm getting the hang of this nomenclature, the nomenclature, naming the numbering convention. Yeah, I'm getting used to it now. As far as the order in which I want to put these up. I'm still going to put all of them up when I'm in a rush, because I got, like I said, a boatload. This is me affixing the pockets to the dress, as you can see, with the buttons affixed to the pockets. I don't know why I have that belt on there. I don't, because you can see I have the dress. It isn't even complete. I was feeling myself. I was feeling myself. So I left the belt on there because I wanted that look. And this, again, I'm putting the double stitches on the pockets and the pocket flaps. You can see there. I'm working on my skill, y'all. I want my skill to be on point. I had to, again, my process, I had to learn, I had to train myself, because I had 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had 9 pockets to do, 6 on the bottom, 3 on the top, and I had to train myself, because I wasn't doing affixing the pockets the way you see I am now. You probably can't tell, but I was starting from the outside, and then I was moving to the inside, and I had to train myself. And it was only 3 dresses, so it's not like I have it down pat, but I had to train myself to start from the inside and then do the outside. It was just easier that way, and it made more sense. So when I initially started, I was starting from the outside of the pocket, and then I would come in on the inside. But if I start on the inside and I go to the outside, I only have so much space to go. And so in my head, it keeps the stitching the same size and consistent. But when I was started on a couple of these, when I started on the outside, and I had to move to the inside, I will admit that some of them look like say I was using a 12 stitch per inch setting. Well, some of them look like I only used on the pockets. It looks like I moved 2 stitch places, and some of them it looks like I moved 3 stitch places, which is a no-no, because it doesn't look consistent. So that's why I'm telling you this, because I'm honing my game plan. But these are originals. Look at that top pocket right there. Look at that top pocket. Look at that stitching. Oh my God. You guys wait till I get this honed. I'm an active fool. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I'm trying to make sure that the buttons go on. I kept testing and kept testing and kept testing. So yeah, it's all part of the process. Make sure you get that process down. When I did the gray one, if you guys remember, it was so many mistakes on that one. So many mistakes. And it's like I said, it's part of the process. I have to learn. I have to keep at it. And so that's what I'm doing. And I'm learning to fold up the fabric before I stick it up under the needle instead of having to do it after the fact. I mean, all this stuff. Yeah. See, I'm starting from the inside. I should be starting from the inside. I may start from the outside, but I know I should start from the inside and then move to the outside. because I want you guys to see. Womp 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 womp. 1310003 from the inside. See? And so when I come to the outside, there's only going to be so many. I can only move so many stitches before I hit the red fabric. So that's why I'm starting from the inside. I need you guys to know that, instead of starting from the outside and then coming in, because the measurement, the stitch length could be off, and I don't need that. I need it to be one, the same distance consistently all the way around. See? And I can catch those mistakes. If I've gone too far, I can back up. Where on the outside, it's more cumbersome to do that. Please like, share, comment, repost. Please, please, please. I made an intro or outro. Sure did. I'm gonna start using an outro too. It's of the me sewing this dress, but it's only like less than a minute long. So I put one of my janky beats on it. One of the beats I like the best, because a lot of them are really bad. But this one is halfway decent for me, for doing this. And so I don't know if I'm going to put it on this one. I probably won't, because I have already told you. I don't want you guys to run around here expecting it and then I not put it on there. But I'm going to make some intros and some outros. And I have one made, and it can be either. I don't know. I'm going to start using it pretty soon. I just don't know when I'm going to start using it. Because it has music and it has text on it. Look at that. Come on. Y'all, look at this. Just imagine when I get this down pat and I can do 15, 20, 25, 100 pieces. Y'all going to be in for a treat. Of course, then my game plan would be, tight, and I can raise the price. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to start making these this one is 10 minutes longer. I'm going to start making these a tad bit longer and talk about the economy. And because I just downloaded, I didn't download it, but I bookmarked an article in the San Francisco Chronicle, and they were talking about San Francisco can lose up to $5,600. I can't remember the $5,600, but it said something like 18,000 jobs will be lost and $5,600 in revenue per resident, something like that, because of the tariffs, and that's just San Francisco alone. So I guess I'm gonna try and delve into that and make the case that my clothes, although they may be a tad bit more expensive than some of the stuff coming from offshore, it's just as good, and it's made right here for those of you who care about U.S. made products. Look at that. Come on. Give me some love. Show your trans auntie some love. Show me some love. Like, share, comment, repost. Y'all know y'all like this. Come on now. Don't even try it with me. Anyways, I'm coming to the end of my video. And I will see you guys in the next video.